my blessings crew, welcome back to my channel. This is Omar Marcel Lifestyle and I'm back guys with another video. I remember with God everything is possible, and without him guys we can't live without him, you know. Without him we are nothing. So guys, today I'm on a TV hunting. I'm going to the Bendong to buy some pillows for my mom too. So let's get on the road. And guys, remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Okay guys, okay, if you like watch my video and you love my channel, just subscribe. Okay, subscribe. Alright, and thank you my blessings crew for all the love and support that you are giving me. Thank you so much guys. So let's go in this place here. Ask much for the television then. See what prices we have here. So go straight down. How much for them? How about them? Chest of drawer? Ain't boy? Some nice dresser guys. Yeah man, some lovely dressers. $50,000. It's not bad. 50,000.
Yeah.
Messi price again. That's Samsung. It's a 40 inch. What inch that? 32.
32 size.
What's the price for that?
40,000 Samsung. That starts from 20,000.
It's a 65. We don't have no 40 inch.
We have 43 inches.
43.
Samsung.
How much is it? 55.
65.
55.
Different models.
Oh.
This is a different model, this is a different model. This is also 43. This is also 43. But this one is 50.
Just like when I buy the washing machine. I don't buy washing machine. Yes.
I never buy machine.
Yes, I think all washing machine are the same. Because I never know see them the type of washing. They was that from me barn. When they wash. All of them are smart TV. I'm on the television on TV. Alright, so I'm gonna go somewhere else and compare with these to see if it's the same price or I can get it a little bit cheaper guys. Yeah man. So I've been alright, my blessings go. So guys, I'm going up by the other store to compare the prices. I never know that buy one washing machine down here guys, and I never know say I saw they have them compatible washing machine. They well not have no use. I never know you have to catch water in it. When you catch water in it and you throw your soap, it wash, you let out the water, catch more water in it, put in your fabric softener to definitely rinse it out and leather it out. I never know that's the way the washing machines are guys. I've never seen them before. So when I purchase the washing machine guys, I just think that I purchased a good washing machine. But I had it too long before I really set it up guys. So that catches me. First thing catch me in Jamaica is the washing machine. Never know guys. I don't call that washing machine. What? I don't call it washing machine guys. I call it something else. Alright, so hold this. Hold this one. Yes, so Imperial, so a fridge Imperial or a black pint, one of them. So this now you see it's a very good. So make sure when you hook it up you don't have to add it. So guys, I'm gonna take this one. The black one. Alright, that one here. Big man. It's huge, guys. It's two of them, guys. You can see it. Yeah, man. So very large cruise ship can dock in Falmouth, guys. It's a beauty. The other one is much smaller. I don't see the name of this one, guys. I don't know if you guys know what the name of this ship, guys. It's huge. Yeah, man. I have to come and show you guys a big cruise ship, the biggest one I've ever seen so far in Falmouth. Let me go on the other side. Yeah, and there's a smaller one right there. I don't know where this one coming from, guys, but just has to show you in Falmouth, Trelawny in Jamaica, the cruise ship in docking port. Yeah, so that's where it's docked. That's how it's big, guys. Yeah, man. A lot of security and all that. Okay, guys, the name of the ship is Wonders of the Sea. Okay. Wonders of the Sea. That's the name of the ship, guys. So guys, I'm actually gonna look some pillow for my mother and the mom. So guys, the boy them get some foul, but
you can't go this
me put in the foul them all over the place.
Show water for
See the foul, guys.
Show water for just take time show you.
Them I go pick them now.
Just show water for it.
I'm going to show you when I'm picking process. Yep.
See them, guys? You see them, look? You understand?
That one they not finished clean up, you know.
Yeah, man. I butcher this, you know? You follow them. One about 5 more to go with this, you understand?
Yeah, the
The badness. Good amount.
No, okay, like that.
Run some more.
Yeah, man. You clean them up. Clean and pretty, you know. Pick off if you remove the feather. So this one we pick off more. I'll wash them off now and come back, you know. Yeah. So that's how it looks. So it looks, guys, when I clean it up, you know. Yeah, more rooster crow there.
Show them them.
See them there? A crow, nice place. All of them hen here is just natural grown. And meat sweet. Not hen, meat fowl, natural grown fowl. But the hen and the rooster. Yeah. See that lovely rooster here? Clean out nice, guys. Clean out pretty and nice, man. See wings. Wings of the morning. Yeah, man. Clean out nice. See you in my next video. I hope you like this little short vlog. Peace out, my blessings. Peace. I'm a Marcy. I say peace out, guys. Alright, blessings. Peace out.